Today I work as a leadership and change consultant. In practice, everything from leadership trainings and executive team development to supporting clients through longer change journeys and a lot more, of course. And I really enjoy working with Shiftic because it speaks to both the learning nerd in me and my strong drive to create a real client value. So using Shiftic, I often move in and out of my shifts over time. So I created them topic-based and generic, and I keep developing designs that can be used for many different clients. So I have designed, for example, a set of skill boosters, shorter exercises to strengthen learning in different modules of a leadership program. So I usually work in Swedish, but I've translated some of it now for you to get a feel. So let's have a look at the skill booster, everyday leadership powered by simple models. And as you can see, we have built different interventions here based on different themes. So just a short overlook, different themes, ending with a reflection session. And if we have a look into the skill booster for the situational leadership, as you can see, I have created some different things. For example, scenario cards for the leaders to use as an exercise, and also a facilitator script for me, making it easy to introduce and follow them. Some corner style signs used in the physical room for the exercise, so everything is there, even the debrief afterwards. And let's just check in to have a glimpse in the exercise, the scenario cards. So these cards I have created together with Tilda, and they are like hints or a short brief about the employee's experience and motivation. And every scenario ends up with a question for the leader to be answered. So different areas, but also I wanted some facilitator quick guide user tips, and also a quick reminder how to apply the theory, situational leadership, and also a quick answer key to the scenarios. So that's just one example. I think we should move back. And maybe, as you can see, this one I have delivered. So I've done a short impact loop. And I'm now in the phase that I can improve this even more. But I think we should have a look at the skill booster for the SCARF model. I've started to create some things there, but I think I want to develop something else, something for the participants to bring home, perhaps. So either I can ask Shiftic to help me to create something, another content. And as you can see, there will be some suggestions here, but I'm a bit picky now, so I want them to help me to write a short stories that shows how manager influences employees of SCARF. So I prompt it and I'll get some content.
And can I build on what you're sharing now, Sara?
Please do.
So what Shiftic is now doing, it knows not only the context of this specific activity, but it also knows the context of the brief and the bigger journey.
Thank you. Thank you very much. In practice, I can use Shiftic in every step of my job. So looking at this slide, preparing the first contact with a potential customer or pitch to the client, I prepare with get clear needs analysis structure, guiding questions, a first conversation pitch template, moving to the next step, going even deeper into the analysis and design. We interact to turn needs into a clear brief with templates, targeted questions, concrete examples of goals, and also those important key behaviors that we want to really grip to get that change going. And also creating a proposal and a suggested change journey. I use Shiftic, and then the creative phase with based on theory and methods and tools, the fourth step. As you saw earlier, this is where I hang a lot in Shiftic. This is my home turf. And do I really need Shiftic then? Well, absolutely, because this is where I grow and I learn the most thanks to the challenging questions that I get. and the creative suggestions I get from Shiftic as well. So it's really both challenging and rewarding. Also, thinking of kickoffs or ongoing client meetings, I get help with the agendas, smart impact questions, and ready-made meeting materials. It gives me inspiration. And in the delivery phase, I get help holding the whole journey, the change learning journey together with templates, exercise descriptions, handouts, facilitator scripts, and so on. And I'm also a fan of ongoing nudging and everyday support during an assignment. So Shiftic gives me planned micro interventions, nudges, short manager guides, and the question of the week, for example. And the last one, the measurement impact follow-up. Of course, if you do a step-by-step a change journey with one customer, it's even easier, but still, I can get help with simple measurement logics that really measures the behavior change in what I have created. So it's a great help. So as you might sense, one of the few downsides of Shiftic is that once you see how much good you can do with it, how it keeps stretching you, and how much you learn, the more you work together, it's very easy to get hooked. But it's so much fun. And I was thinking, well, I have a creative mind where ideas pop up very easily and frequently. So I think Shiftic really helps me to structure the change journey and move forward when I get stuck in all the possibilities. So that's also a great help.